Arlington, TX offers a unique experience blending art, culture, and dining to captivate both locals and visitors. The city's vibrant art scene features local galleries and captivating public art installations. Its rich cultural heritage is celebrated through museums and events, showcasing the community's traditions. When it comes to dining, Arlington boasts an array of culinary delights, from eclectic eateries to fine dining establishments. The convergence of art, culture, and dining creates a dynamic tapestry of experiences, enriching the senses and leaving a lasting impression on all who partake. Immerse yourself in Arlington's dynamic art scene, where local galleries proudly exhibit diverse works of art. The city is a canvas for public art installations, showcasing a wide spectrum of artistic expressions throughout its streets and public spaces. From traditional to contemporary art, Arlington boasts a melting pot of creativity that captivates and inspires. Explore the fusion of culture and creativity as you witness the vibrant art scene come to life, reflecting the city's passion for artistic expression and innovation. Embark on a journey through Arlington's rich cultural heritage, delving into its museums, heritage centers, and vibrant events that pay homage to the traditions and history of the community. These cultural treasures provide a window into the past, allowing visitors to connect with the values and customs that have shaped Arlington's identity. From exhibits that showcase the city's historical milestones to immersive experiences that celebrate cultural diversity, Arlington's cultural heritage offers a tapestry of stories waiting to be discovered and appreciated. Prepare to tantalize your taste buds as you explore the culinary scene in Arlington. From charming eclectic eateries to sophisticated fine dining establishments, the city offers a delectable array of flavors and dining experiences to suit every palate. Each culinary venue showcases its unique culinary identity, promising a gastronomic journey that reflects Arlington's diversity and creativity. Whether savoring local favorites or embracing international cuisine, Arlington's culinary landscape invites you to embark on a flavorful adventure that celebrates the art of dining. In Arlington, witness the seamless fusion of art, culture, and dining, where these elements intertwine to create a tapestry of vibrant experiences. Artistic expression and cultural celebration converge with the culinary scene, crafting an immersive journey that indulges the senses and enriches the soul. From art-inspired dining venues to cultural events that merge creativity and cuisine, Arlington offers a holistic experience that stimulates both the artistic and gastronomic sides of life. Immerse yourself in this dynamic intersection where art, culture, and dining harmonize to create unforgettable moments that celebrate the city's rich cultural tapestry.